Hi, my name is Dee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a self-service receipt. You can create self-service receipts for items such as stationery, laptop accessories, and other items that you purchase for your own use as an employee. First, I'll navigate to the Receive Items page where I can start the self-service receipt process. I want to create a receipt against a purchase order for my laptop carrying case. So I'll start by searching for my purchase order. Now that I've found my purchase order, I'll select it in order to receive the item I had ordered. Now I'll enter the number of items received to finalize the receipt. In this case, it's 1. Alternatively, I could have used the Show Receipt Quantity button to populate the quantity field instead of entering it manually. I'll also enter other details like waybill number and packing slip number. Once I click the Submit button, I've created my receipt. And here is my receipt number. Now I'll verify that my receipt was created by searching for it on the Manage Receipts page. Here, let's search for the receipt that was created in the previous step. Now I'll view the details of the receipt. And we're done. Thank you for watching.